Hey there, welcome to today's video where we will dive into a common problem that many of us face when using technology. Have you ever encountered the issue of not being able to access certain content on a website due to it being blocked or restricted? This can be quite frustrating, especially when you really need to access that information for work or personal reasons. But fear not, as we have a solution to help you bypass these restrictions and access the content you need. The solution to this problem lies in using a virtual private network, or VPN for short. A VPN allows you to create a secure connection to another network over the internet, encrypting your data and hiding your IP address. By using a VPN, you can effectively mask your location and bypass any restrictions that may be in place, giving you unrestricted access to the content you need. So next time you encounter a blocked website, simply turn on your VPN. It enjoys seamless access. In addition to bypassing restrictions, using a VPN also provides an extra layer of security for your online activities. Your data is encrypted, making it much harder for hackers or malicious third parties to intercept and steal your information. So not only are you able to access blocked content with a VPN, but you also ensure your online privacy and security. In summary, by utilizing a VPN, you can easily bypass website restrictions, access blocked content, and enhance your online security. So next time you run into a blocked website, remember to turn on your VPN for a smooth and secure browsing experience. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your favorite VPN provider. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!